Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to try the viral foundation routine by Meredith. As you all know, her technique involves using around 10 plus pumps of foundation. I've heard 8 pumps, I've heard 12, I've heard 16, but regardless, at the end of her routine, she ends up looking absolutely amazing, flawless. I was a bit hesitant to try it at first because I tend to get creasy on my smile lines, a few forehead wrinkles, an eyebrow wrinkle under the eyes, all the good spots. My typical thought process is less is better, but I was curious to see how it turns out. So let me do my eye makeup off screen, and if you want a tutorial on it, maybe leave a comment down below. All right, let's go. I was going to start by applying my daily primer, but alas, it was kaput. So I snagged my going out primer, which is the Maybelline Face Studio Prime. It's a pore minimizing primer. I'm going to start by rubbing my primer in, and then I'm going to take the Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation and pump 6 pumps onto the back of my hand. 6. I couldn't justify doing 10 pumps or 12 or 16 or even 8. 6 pumps was good enough for me, I'm easing myself into it. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't even think Becca Cosmetics is a makeup company anymore, right? So they don't even make this foundation, right? Wrong? Anyways, I know it's a lot of foundation, so let's see how this goes. When I initially rubbed it onto my face, there was some shock, to say the least. But anyways, once I've rubbed it into my face, I went ahead and blended it out with a beauty blender. And while I could tell that the routine was already going to give me great coverage, obviously, I was really worried about blending it out on my smile lines, my forehead wrinkles, my under eyes, the goods. It's really my smile line that bothers me the most. But anyways, I paid special attention to those areas, extra blendage, and it's definitely more full coverage than I was used to, but I think it looks really good so far. I was thoroughly surprised and really into it. I could say that I was pretty much shooketh at how well it was sitting on my smile line. Shooketh, I tell you. After I finish blending it out, I'm going to go ahead and speed through the footage of me applying my contour, bronzer, blush, and highlight. I forgot to apply concealer like a silly banana. It was sitting behind my liquid lipstick, and I think I just mentally was like, I don't need that right now. But anyways, now that I've applied everything, I can definitely say that I was pleasantly surprised. The coverage is amazing, but that's to be expected. The unexpected part was that it looked surprisingly smooth and even. Obviously, I've got some natural texture and my smile line is a bit visible, but I was impressed with how it looked despite 6 pumps of foundation. 6. I'm going to go ahead and cover the light as well so you can see it with both a ring light and just natural bathroom light. Not natural light, natural bathroom light. I will definitely be trying this method again in the future. Probably not for an everyday look because it did feel heavy, but a girl's night out? I think yes. Overall, my experience with the Meredith viral foundation routine was massively positive. It's definitely not something I would have tried on my own, but I'm extremely happy I did. I hope this video helps you decide if this routine is right for you, or if you should try it. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks, and I'll see you next week. Okay, bye!